had the windows put in the first week of January, and it was a little fun trying to get everything moved away from the old windows to make room for the workers and all. But we did so, and in some cases the workers kind of worked around some of the furniture that had been, could have been in the way a little bit, but they worked around it. And they were great. All the fellows that came were just fantastic. They did a nice job. They were all very polite and everything. And it was a big decision after being in our house 41 years to finally put in storm windows. And it was a good decision. We're very pleased. They look great, and one of the great things is the sound. We don't hear the traffic in front of the house like we used to. The sound is so much deafened for us. We're very pleased with the quality of the windows and all. And I don't know what else I can say, but we're happy with Paradise.